Oh my God, I see Nollywood people here with here. Ladies and gentlemen, Nollywood people, the two wonderful things. I watched one film the other day. One guy for part one, he crossed me road. Moto jam him, he died for part one. For part two, I was shocked. Then they do traditional marriage. That same guy there on that canopy, the drink Fanta. I don't understand. We are a man now. One film where they show Aki they cross firewood. They come show 15 years later. I know now camera come they go up. I expect to see Mike Lizuroni. 15 years later, Aki turn to Popo. Hollywood. The one wey tire me, you know that for in Hollywood you go see native doctor wey be graduate. Native doctor dey speak Queen's English. You go see native doctor wey dey tell the woman, take this substance. They dey call am poison. Take this substance. Deposit a little quantity in his meal. Stir it a little. Sit down with him and watch him eat. Native doctor. And the one wey they do for Nollywood, wey they do for life, native doctor go see big man come native doctor shrine. They go say, go back, pull off your shoe. Are you crazy? For this life, they no fit try am. Imagine person like Bros AY. I don't come say they go native doctor. Imagine person, somebody as influential as Bros AY enter native doctor house with the kind of shoe wey they wear. Native doctor go say, go back, pull off your shoe. Are you mad? How much be the food shrine? The land, the red robe, everything with white chalk and how much? You know how much Bros AY they wear for leg? One thing with girls can form. Men when they here, if you want find wife, they say to find wife they have my life. Any man who don't reach to marry, you get about 2 or 3 girls for your life. Just gather 3 of them, borrow their money. Anyone will pay you back as at 20 you and your wife. Because women need to pay back. It's that simple. I don't want to get any fast food more to chop. Then bring eba and soup. Because like, you know fast food they do, na light dey everywhere. The girl gonna mold the thing small. They swallow with everything. I say, baby, eat well. And she say, no, I have small esophagus. She dey swallow am small. Ladies and gentlemen, and she dey swallow that eba, nepa can't take light. The girl gonna swallow, gonna mold one big one, bros. Big one. You know say if God won't punish you, they plan away. As she won't put that big one from mouth, I never bring line, and she look me. Baby, this one is for you. I say, yeah, swallow. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is MCMOP. You know, say I need to phone him if I tell him my name, because first impression matters for this country. I tell my guy and I say, what Super Eagles fuck up for their first match? The whole Nigeria will begin support Brazil. But I don't fear when boys wear jersey, they go World Cup. Our Super Eagles decide to wear Ankara like Ashebi boys. And they wait for them because anybody will go wedding must come back with souvenir. So if they don't come with anything, oh my God, now SARS will go wait for them. Oh, rather, when I leave my dress, you know, SARS now they pursue Yahoo boys. So some of those Yahoo boys were funny. Then they plan joint comedy. So we need to hold our work well. You know Yahoo boys, when they can't joke, you know funny, they go spray money. One must walk. Ladies and gentlemen, Nigerian music tire me. Rude boy, they sing song. And they say they thank God for better thing. And they hear hallelujah. Hey, now God they do one. Hey. Hallelujah. I was expecting him to say that he and his brother has reconciled or he don't get a new group. But he comes up. That's why they get the maya. So get the shake dash, they thank God. Come on, I know you also understand because the way secular music don't take the rampant now. Even gospel event, they plan to use secular song advertise gospel event. You go here, the drive, go here, only money. Holy money, once they get your attention, you hear the Ministry of God Ministry presents 5 days of miracles, signs, and wonders. Venue, TBS, Oliko, time 5 p.m. Come and be rectified of all your financial problems. Jesus is Lord. The advance will continue. Let's give it money. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. My name is MOP. God bless you all. Thank you for having me. Good night.